If you want to disable AirDrop, this is how you do it. There's two different ways. The easiest way is probably going into the settings. Maybe not the easiest, but the first way I'll show you is going into the settings, and then to general, and then go to AirDrop, and then turn receiving off. And that makes it so AirDrop just does not work. The other way you can do this, that's probably faster if it's set up properly, pull down from the top right to get to the control panel. This is our connectivity widget here. It should be there by default. If it's not there, you're going to have to add it. So I'm going to tap and hold on any blank space in the control center, tap on add a control. I'll scroll down to connectivity, and there's that widget right there. You can also have a separate AirDrop widget if you want, just all on its own. You can tap that to add it. I'm just going to use this big one. And with that big one there, you can tap on these three big dots to turn those options on and off. If you tap anywhere outside of those big three circles, it's going to open more settings for us. So I'll tap down here. Now I have AirDrop right here. If I tap on it, we have the same options as we had in the settings. Receiving off, contacts only, and everyone for 10 minutes. And receiving off turns it off. And if your iPhone battery has been dying more quickly or faster than you think it should, check out this video which shows you a bunch of settings you can tweak to make your iPhone battery last longer. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe and let me know, and I will see you on this video right here.